Pipe installations.
Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about libraries that you can install in Python in order for you to be able to access different packages and use it throughout this course. So here I pulled up a terminal, and usually we're installing packages in Python with the pipe keyword. So today we're going to install some packages. There are a few tools that you can use in order to install packages. So the first one that we're going to talk about is the CADA tool, which is actually a tool developed by the Anaconda distribution. And if you use Python before, you will probably know that Anaconda is one of the most famous Python user interfaces that you can use out there. So they also created their own way. Yeah, so I did a spelling mistake, it's actually with O. So pipe install conda. And as you can see now, this package is installing, and you can use the conda package in order to install different packages in Python related to the conda toolkits. So now you can see that the package is actually successfully installed. And for example, if you want to use it in order to install packages, you can simply write. For example, if I do conda install requests, it asks me now to install the mini conda installer from that place. And let's actually go to their website, and you can see that, for example, it detected that I am a Mac user, so I can actually download it and enable the installation of those two toolkits. So if you would like to enable this on your computer, simply go to this website, and then you can install actually what you need. So you need to go to anaconda.com products individual, and then you will be able to install the additional package needed in order for you to use CADA to install packages. But since I don't use CADA to install packages, I will not go to this website because I don't need it currently. Now, the next way for you to install packages in Python that we're going to cover today is by the virtual env. So in order to install this, you can just do pipe install virtual env. Okay, and you can see that the installation now begins, and it says that the request is already satisfied, which means that I already have installed this package in my computer. And the final tool that I want to show you that is good that you have it on your computer, it's actually an official Python installer, which is called pipe env. So if I do pipe install pipe env, you see that I also get that the requirement is already satisfied because it's automatically installed once you install Python in your computer. So you should probably get the same message, but even if you start getting the installation package, this is also fine because you will simply get it installed in your computer. You can actually find more information about the pipe-env on this website, realpython.com, pipe-env-guide. And here you can find the different commands that you can use in order to put in the best practice the pipe env toolkit. So these were the alternatives, guys, to pipe that I want to share with you. In this course, mainly we're going to use pipe to install packages, but we might face the need sometimes to use also other tools in order to install packages in our computer. That said, thank you very much for watching this video for today, and I will see you in the next one where we're going to talk about sockets. Thanks for watching.